Slice your chicken breasts thinly for even cooking and optimal tenderness. Use a meat mallet or mandolin to achieve the desired thickness. Marinate the chicken in a mixture of olive oil, garlic, and herbs for added flavor. Coat the chicken in a mixture of flour, salt, and pepper to help the breadcrumbs stick and create a crispy crust. Dip the floured chicken in beaten eggs, then coat it in breadcrumbs and pat them onto the chicken so they adhere well. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius while you heat a few tablespoons of oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, add the breaded chicken to the skillet and cook for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, or until it's golden brown and cooked through. Remove the chicken from the skillet and place it on a paper towel-lined plate to drain off any excess oil. Spread a layer of marinara sauce in the bottom of a baking dish, then top it with the cooked chicken. Add more marinara sauce and sprinkle with shredded mozzarella cheese. Bake the chicken Parmesan in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Serve the chicken Parmesan with a side of pasta and a sprinkle of fresh basil for a tasty and satisfying meal. To add an extra touch of decadence, try topping your chicken Parmesan with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese before baking it in the oven. Enjoy!